and they recorded a song for the theme song. He's in it, and she's the singer. Oh, we're making a video. Move over. That was awesome. Wait, I'm recording.
Yeah. Wait, I want to show off my stuff. Wait.
Let me just put it in here. Oh,
Oh my god, what?
I thought your water was open.
Ooh.
Are you
Eye.
You're looking dead.
Yeah, because I'm texting too.
Shit, I can't touch this.
Wait.
Edit ashes. I'm just like cutting rid of it.
Right into my stuff.
Do the O's.
Ow.
I want to try to do the
I'm
good
like
ghost.
crying.
I want to try to do the ghost. You
Oh,
take
that
it.
was hard. Like on pencil stuff.
Yeah, but I haven't ever tried it, and I'll probably just toss it because I wait 10 minutes.
Yeah, you will.
I'm not ready. Wait. Do it from the side. Hold on. Which way am I supposed to? Oh, right way. This is weird. Like backwards. Oh, this is like.
Nope, you're not in it now. What the fuck was that?
I can't tell.
You always breathe out through your nose like.
I need a cheesesteak. Ow, it's in my eye.
I know, right? If you can't look down.
Okay. Let's make a video. Hey. This is our vlog. Our video blog. Vlog. Can you say it?
I couldn't do it. I tried to like catch it
Can you
back.
say vlog?
Vlog?
Vlog. I'm Kara.
I'm
Introduce
Linnea.
yourself. This is
Wait,
our-
I'm Linnea.
this is our. This is our
Up there.
vlog. Oh, my eyes watering. So let's vlog. How's your life lately?
I feel like I'm trying to get in this, but I keep like doing the wrong thing.
I know. Because if I were to go out right now, I would do this.
Yeah.
Oh wait, I forgot how. Because it's twisted. It's not mirrored. It's actually what we see. Tell me about your life. Can you hold it? My eyes watering wicked bad. Like.
Yep. Get a bobby pin. Okay. Hi. Can't. Oh, there we go. Oh, in your face.
Are you ready?
What?
Is that cute? I know. I know. I didn't even know that was you.
Really? Is it string on your arm?
Yeah, I'm gonna put it on right now. It's a headband, but I got it. I made it out of string. You ready? I'm gonna model it. Put me on the vlog. Put me on the vlog.
Oh. Yep.
Alright.
I didn't know what you meant.
Wait, this way. Wait, I can model it. I can model it. My phone's gonna lose. No, I'm kidding. No, it's my headband. Let me show them my headband.
I'm so happy we
Ron
got-
commented, just texted me. What did he say? I always tell him that it's like a really big story on.
Mm-hmm.
You didn't just realize it's true. Tell me about your life in your vlog.
Fuck you. Fuck you. That's not how my life
Wait,
is.
let me
right now.
imitate a Tupac video right here. Wait, I
I just dropped it on her computer.
I'll make Tupac right now, ready?
Okay. You're phone is like vibrating. Like constantly.
Oh.
What does that mean? Call?
Oh. No. No, it's not even vibrating. It's you.
No.
Here! Wait, what was it?
I can't believe that was just on camera.
Let me be back.
You are? Oh yeah. Did you put the thing on?
No, you didn't give me a bottle.
I did.
No, you didn't. You did? Oh shit. I didn't even know. I'm Tupac. Bitches. Wait, I'm gonna take this and then freeze it. I'm gonna freeze it.
Tupac.
No, I'm gonna take this video, freeze frame it, black and white it, and put on a poster and be like America's Most Wanted, you know, like the Americas poster he has.
Do it, I guess.
What? I'm gonna do it. I just gotta imitate it really well. Gotta get like a solid background. Here we go. Yeah, this is good. Wait, it's gotta come this time. Oops. Wait, I wasn't good. Wait. That's it. That's me. You know? I can't see anything. Hold on here.
So you're gonna pause it? I don't.
Later. I'll still frame it.
Definitely a new trend, I guess. Is it like short?
No, it was in a hoodie. I don't ever wear a hoodie anymore.
So you
Tell
just
them what this is!
No.
What this is! Sorry. You covered it. I wasn't even near it.
I know.
Oh, let's tell them in the vlog. We are watching Wrong Turn.
Well, not right now. But we're going.
Yeah, actually, right now. Excuse me. We're watching this. My guilty pleasure. Drake and Josh. And now we're gonna watch Wrong Turn. Right?
Yeah, wait, I'm watching it.
We're watching Wrong Turn. Tell me what your life in the vlog.
It was basically done.
Your life is done?
No, it's just
Oh. Like, tell me what your life is.
it's like burning my lip.
Done with it. Go with it. Hey, look, it's like a fan. It's kind of cool, like the picture. You kind of look like you're like the lazy, burnt out, like fat. No, you're not fat, but you look like. No, I mean like. You look like the Peter Griffin in the room who's just like.
Skinny people consider.
No, I know. I meant like. You know what I mean? Like lazy, like couch potato.
No, I'm not too sure.
My mom if there's any mail. I'm gonna go check the mail. Alright. I'm gonna go check the mail. This is the end of our video blog, Linnea. You wanna sign out with me? How do we sign out? Peace in the Middle East. And love in
Wait, and fuck
Alright.
you, Kristen.
Let's put this on YouTube. We're gonna put this on YouTube. Okay. Who can I say fuck you? No. The end. The end. Oh, I just called you. I'm calling you. Did you just call me?
No.
I'm calling you right now. I have a text. Oh, I have to go check the mail. Peace and love. This is Linnea, and she hates Chris and Richie. And this is going on YouTube, and we're gonna have vlogs. Let's
Yeah,
see.
you miscalled me.
What?
You called me before.
Oh, and we're gonna do these often, right? Let's